Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing the font size enables you to personalize your device by selecting a text size that suits your preferences. And also, customizing the font size allows you to tailor the visual appearance of text to your liking. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, and here tap on the display option to adjust various visual aspects of your device. Okay, and scroll through the options and select the font size and style menu. Okay, after that, to resize the font on your device, utilize the slider provided by dragging it to the left or right based on your preferences. Okay, this adjustment allows you to tailor the font size to your comfort and readability requirements. Explore the different levels available to apply varying font size to enhance the visibility and legibility of text across your device interface. And also, by adjusting the font size and style settings, you can personalize the visual experience on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.